Okay, today's class is 8th class. So in today's class, we going to discuss about conditional statements and function. I gave all inbuilt functions, right? So now user defined functions I'm going to demonstrate in class 8. Okay. If you guys are not clear, please let me know at the same point time. Okay. Conditional statements or conditional statements we'll call conditional statements. If and if else is the conditional statements. We have multiple conditional statements, multiple if we can use, and nested if. We have, okay, these are the 4 topics under conditional statement. We'll give one by one examples. Okay, if they'll ask you any condition, please demonstrate conditional statement. We have if else, multiple if, and nested if. We will use to you I mean will we have in conditional statement. We'll go and we'll do the exercise here. Okay, I'll put this in some other place because in functions we have multiple functions statements, so there we can keep and second topic is functions. It's function example, one of the example, this one example. Okay, then I'll go and we'll see. Okay, for each customer no log, if customer, we'll see what are the fields we have, and we can control that one of the field. Okay, in the if statement, display customer except comments end. Okay, we'll going to run this one, and you can see how many customer fields will get. Okay, we have a credit limit here, so that we can use this credit limit field, and we can add the conditions, if conditions. Okay, so I'm taking credit limit. We have credit limit almost starts with, we'll see how much amount we have. So we have from starting with the above 5,000 and below 1 lakh, we have credit limit, and we will see and will add that condition. If customer dot credit limit is equals to 6,000, then display customer dot customer dot name. Okay, if we have 6,000 credit limit, see, 1 second, we'll keep doing that, and we'll see how much what we'll get. We don't have 6,000 means we don't get. So 1 second, if we keep greater than sorry, less than I gave. So we got all the less than credit limit values. Okay. So if it is 6,000, we have 3 customers. Okay. 3 customers having credit limit 6,000. If the customer having less than, I'm keeping less than that values, we are able to see. Many customer having less than 6,000 values. Okay. Then we'll take this as example under if condition, and if go to second, now we are going to the second topic. You guys understand, right? First topic.
Yes, Akka.
Then if we go to if else statement, we can keep else in the second part. Okay. In here we can keep else do. We'll give different fields for this. Okay. Display customer dot any field. We just take this name and we can keep here. We can able to. We can use frame. Okay. With frame F1 and with frame F. Okay. We'll see how it gonna be display. So it will separately, it will separate. Okay. Name. So for first customer, one of the first customer, it is moved to else block, and coming here, most of the customer has above, greater than 6,000. So for the 6,000, below 6,000, it will get customer number and credit limit. Wait a minute, we'll see. See, for this one, we are able to see customer number, name, and credit limit. Like this, it will be a frame will be displaying like this. Okay. You understand, right? If else will be like this. We can multiple if means just in the place of you can keep if. Here you can keep if, else if the credit limit which is equals to 6,000, which is equals to 6,000, just run it. Sorry, I missed a then condition. So you can see. So if then do 1 second, I missed the end statement end. So with if you guys are doing any condition with if you just keep do with end condition. Okay, don't miss that one. If you get if you won't keep end statement, you cannot. Okay, multiple ends. Okay, second, you cannot get proper outputs. Okay, like this. See, if it is 6,000, that that is printing in the frame 1. If it is not in less than 6,000, you can able to see like this. And you can multiple ifs, right? Else if, again you can keep else if any condition less than 8,000, like this we can keep, right? 8,000, less than 8,000, then do end. Okay, just display. We'll keep in the one frame, in the same frame you can keep, otherwise you can assign different frame. Okay, like this, less than. We'll see in the frame 3 you can get like this. We have to nest the multiple, we can call this as nested loop also. You can take the nested if, you can take the same example to nested if also. Okay, like this if can be defined. Okay, you guys understand, right? Condition, if conditional statements. If you have any questions, please let me know now.
No, Akka.
Okay, function. We'll go to the second topic. Guys, everyone is okay, right?
Okay, Akka.
Okay, then we'll continue with the second topic, functions. Functions. Okay, function, user defined functions we'll call. Okay, inbuilt functions we have already covered, right? User define, define function, we'll call it as functions. Okay, function will be, this will be declare in main procedure. Okay, we cannot define function inside the procedure, we cannot define. Okay, don't define procedure, function inside, inside the procedure you cannot define. Okay, don't use. If someone will ask you whether should we need to we are able to define the function inside the procedure, no, you should not. You should say no, we cannot define inside the procedure, we cannot define function inside the procedure, like that we have to say. Then syntax I'll tell you. Syntax, function name. Okay, function name and returns data type. We can use any data type. We can return integer data type and character, logical, date, everything we can use. Okay, then inside we can use input and output parameters inside this. Okay, input parameter name as data type, and multiple inputs we can use. Okay, input 1, input 2, like this. Okay, we can take it as input 1. N number of inputs we can take, and so on. Input n, parameter name n as data type. Then we can put output. Output also, output. We can use multiple outputs. Okay. Parameter 1 as data type, and so on. It should be comma separated values. Okay. Don't, if you won't keep comma separate value, it won't run. Okay. It is one of the, it will be show some errors. So you have to keep comma separated values and you have to proceed with that. Okay. Output n, parameter name n as data type. Okay. You have to give the syntax like this. Interview questions I'll give you. I'll ask you. Interview question. Whether function can be defined inside the procedure. It's an assignment you have to do. Yesterday's assignment also no one has submitted. Please submit as early as possible. Okay. Then what are conditional statements? Okay. This is one of the question. Okay. This is the syntax for function. You understand, right? We'll go to the examples now. If you guys understand, I will continue with the examples. Shall I go?
Yes.
If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll go to here. Okay. Function. We'll give some other examples. Okay. Please let me know if you guys having any questions. If you don't have, I'll continue. I'll write the function program.
Yes, continue.
Yeah. Then we'll give some division for division formats. Okay. Divided by 5 returns logical. I'm giving for logical. I'm going to give example. I'll give you the assignment. Please write. Okay. Please write. Please write few examples on functions using logical integer character return functions. Please write the examples, okay? I'll give only few examples. I cannot cover all the examples in the session. Input, number. We are telling parameter, right? P underscore number you can keep, okay? Number for unique values as integer. We can pass integer. So we have to end with a, in the syntax also you just keep end statement. End we have to keep for function. For function and procedures we have to end with a end statement. Okay. End statement. So now we'll write some conditions. If P underscore number divided, we can use modulo function. We'll find, right? Modulo 5. If it is equals to 0, then return true. Okay. Otherwise, false. We'll keep false. It's a logical function, right? So we can take this as true or false only, right? For logical, we have only two outputs, either true or false. Okay. We'll have completed. Then we can display divided. Directly we can display, or otherwise we can assign this into the one variable and we can display that variable. Okay. If we keep some 30 here, we are passing. Okay. Input we are passing, right? So we are passing 30. Did it will did it will be divided? What will get result? Yes. We'll get yes. Yes means true. If I am going to give some 46, what will get result? Please open up your mouths.
No.
No. Let's see what we'll get. No. Yes, correct. This is the one of the example. You have to keep it in mind. Okay. Function will work like this. Then we have some forward. If I'm going to keep the actually the function I'm defining in after displaying, I'm defining. Okay. Whether it gonna be display the output. Hello guys, can you hear me?
డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది అనుకుంటా అక్క.
Okay, let's run it. No, actually the function is defining at last. After displaying we cannot get the result. Okay. If we want to get the result as it is, we have to use a forward here. Forward statement. If you give like this, it will gonna be display now. They'll ask you the question whether if I am defining the function in the last of the main procedure, and I am displaying the function in starting of the main procedure, whether it gonna be display or not? No, it won't be display. If we keep forward state, while I mean define, we have to define the same function in front of the main procedure. If we keep at the forward statement in that I mean defining function, at that time we are able to display the function. It is saying it is there, I mean the function will is there in bottom of the main procedure. What the forward will say, like the main procedure to the main procedure, the function is defining at the last of the main procedure. So please consider this one and display the this one I mean function, and like that it is saying okay forward. What, it is also one of the interview question. What is the purpose of forward procedure? Okay, you have to give these answers to me. Yesterday's also, I mean yesterday assignment also you have to give. Okay, you guys understand, right? What forward will work?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll go to some other inputs, multiple inputs. Character, character, we can take parameter number one, number, or we can take one number only. Otherwise we can number two, this one. We just remove, assign, we just assign. You just return that whatever the value with the add of that value. Okay, return, just directly return it. Okay, adding this one plus we'll remove this one. For now we should not use this one. Then display, we can rename it as string. Okay, string, we remove it this one. Multiple inputs, we'll take this one, we'll keep it, and we'll give multiple inputs with the comma separated values. Hello, comma, we are giving a character value, right? We have to give within the strings. Well, display. So only it is taking 8 character values. We'll see display We'll give message here. Message. Let's see whether it's gonna be display or not. Otherwise, we can give format box. Yeah, for message it is gonna be display. If we need to get a blank value in between, that means we can keep some space and like this, and we can keep like this. Okay, you just return the value like this. It will gonna be display like hello space with world. Okay, you can I mean like this you can define the functions. You guys understand, right? Multiple inputs. Multiple inputs function. Okay, please let me know whatever you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise we can close the session. Please do the exercises, and please remember whatever the topics I'm giving. These are the main topics they'll ask you in interview. Will help you also, but you have to remember few things, right? If you go to inside the projects, they'll directly ask you to work on these functions, procedures only. Inside that only you have to fix the bugs. You have any questions? Give one example with output parameter. Please learn this one, okay? It is one of the question. Please add these things and do it. This is one of the letter, capital letter, that function, okay? Just it's a one of the function. You just take it as example, and you have to give these 5 questions, interview questions, and class 7 assignment also you have to give, okay? These three, I gave 8 questions to you guys. You have to complete that as early as possible and submit by end of today. Please let me
Okay.
know questions. If you have any questions, you guys clear today's
Yes,
topic?
Akka.
Please respond.
Yes,
Vasavi,
Akka.
Shravani, Priyanka. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Saka.
Yeah, Priyanka, I didn't hear you. Okay, I'll stop the recording. You guys don't have any questions, means.